Up Gear Legends of Reggae, powered by Q100.7 FM. Now, if you know music, for the time I start to say what I'm about to say, you will know the next artist. Yes, the show keeps rolling, my friends. It's a reggae show and dance. And right now we're in the show. So if you know that you work hard for your money, put two hands in the air for me, please. I'll get them from side to side.
You talked earlier?
No, but
if you know you stick to your roots, you maintain the culture, you maintain the order. But you know some people won't put a bad road in our life. But you know, through persistence, we keep fighting on and on. Because bright days are ahead for all of us. Somebody put words in the air. Who is coming? Who is coming? No race, no race, no
Greetings, Barbados. I want to say it like this. His foundation is in the holy mountains. Glorious words are spoken of thee, O city of Jah. He shall make mention and Rahab and Babylon to them that know him. Behold, O Philistine and Tyre, this man was born there. Emperor Haile King Selassie I the first. Barbados! To leave, I won't give it up, it still will survive. Many people criticize, but I know I will rise when it is on their trail, in their time, tortured it. Barbados, how are you? Your trail this time, yeah. Eat on your trail this time, well. Eat on your trail this time, yeah. Give thanks for having me here at this Barbados weekend, all the way from Kingston, Jamaica. Barbados, let me ask you again, how are you tonight? Are you ready for some real reggae music now? Showtime, don't it? Let me back in that vibration. I'll never leave you one day. Hey, man, is it ready? Fridays are right. Backing up vibration, long if you want business. Bright days are ahead for you and for me. Bright days are ahead. Bright days are ahead. Think positively. Listen, from your negative you must discharge. Free your people, give Mother Earth the massage. No delay another in, moving one apart. One mind, one soul, one heart. On the channel of earth, no way life work, coming from the earth. Hey, on the channel of earth, no way life. I and I never can earth. What can I say? Be a jack, love won't leave you. Stay strong. he won't deceive you. There is always a bright light shining to show you the, to show you the bright days are ahead. Bright days are ahead. Bright days are ahead. Think positively. All that this struggle but me must have figure on. Can't box out the can out of Bingy man farm. Eating children, them don't know what I want. The ghetto youth, them say them not come farm. Babylon don't know the weed nor the town. After a storm, tell your days are calm. Oh, well, hey. Until the bright days are ahead. For you and for me. Days are ahead. Think positively. Babylon, jab your bow, put down your arrow. Think it's peace and safety, big time sorrow. Ethiopia has been reigning from a long time ago. From David dynasty, King Selassie on the throne. He was the governor when he was 12 years old. Never tried to disrespect and troll. Hunger for righteousness and mercy. God has such compassion, will never take away. I'm salvation. Today, we all the role model. Show them the way to deal with the struggle. Spiritual fight, both day and night. Putting out the effort, just to do the right. No make intimidation come over your mind. Remember Jaja words, cause it's a your guideline. Food to your heart, word to your thoughts. Life in the path, whenever you the walk. Calm up salvation. Them see the vibe it's a flow. Well, water, I meditation. I'm observation. I meditation. I want to say give thanks for having me here, Barbados. I love you so much. What a beautiful island, look to such beautiful people. Yeah, to share this reggae vibration. Next track. Oh, time. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, stay with me. I got. Oh, yes, if I want to miss driver. Oh, time. Oh yeah, them never want to see me strive. So So them say all bad road in my life. Yeah, never want to see me strive. So them say all bad. Hear what? But I know what's burning you. But mine not kill you. I know what. No big money, no shot in another car. I'm here for a thing. Every man is to do his own thing. And them are now hear the king. And them confused and frustrated. The life you live is the road you chose, yeah. Living good and not to be confused, oh, I know it's the ways of life. Oh, I know it's the way of life. Makes us today not enemies, oh. Long life and liberty. And as I say, take your life. Mark your marks, bad boy. No more can them spray. No big money spend. Mark your marks, bad boy. No more can them spray. Everywhere you go is just a all and all out, and as your twin, so a little you can chop out. Everywhere you go, all and pull out, and as your twin, so boom, and you can chop out. Hey, let them know. Don't have no enemies, oh. Long life and liberty. And as I say, protect you. Yeah! Hola! Barbados, how are you feeling? Take it up. Take it down low. Barbados, how are you feeling? Do you want more reggae music? Authentic reggae music? Now listen to one here. Play it. I cannot live alongside. I say, I will never settle with the evil. We come to conquer them again. I cannot live alongside them, no. Far as I can see. Take it up. I can't hear you. Far as I can see. One more time. I cannot live amongst the heathen. Hey, Barbados, you are here to enjoy yourself. I'm going to ask you one question. Can you jump? I don't hear you. Can you jump? Can you jump? All right. 1, 2, 3. So I got to go. Take it up. I am here to entertain you tonight. You are also here to entertain me. I'm gonna ask you again, Barbados. This is a stage show, not a recording studio. I'm here to perform. Can you jump? Barbados, if you love your country, you want to jump. Everybody, over there so. One more time, let us sing it again. Listen. I cannot live amongst the heathen, no. Far as Barbados sit, fear from enemy, them dead water. I cannot live amongst. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you One more time. Yeah. Again. Where Rastafari say. If you don't like bad-minded people, go like this. If you don't like haters, go like this. Do like this, Barbados. Let me see the hand in Barbados. Hey, in a good tonight in the Barbados. Hey, watch it one more time. Sing with me. I cannot live alongside no. Far as I can say. Hold on. Are you ready for doing one more time? I could do it for everybody. Are you ready? Come on. Over yourself. Yo, Barbados. Give me the jump, no man. Are you ready now? Oh no. When I feel that in the next track.